Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do for the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. The first thing I want to show you is a nice mode to put the phone immediately on silent. So maybe you're on a meeting or something like this and someone is calling, then just put your phone head over on the desktop. And the phone is immediately on silence. And also pretty cool is if you pick up your phone later, it gives you a little vibration. Could you hear that? And so you know, okay, I have some new messages or I have a missed call or something like this, and you can immediately check it, and that's great. The next tool I want to show you is the sidebar. Almost invisible, it's hidden here. Just swipe in like this and you will have here a very useful sidebar with your favorite apps. Also pretty cool if you want to use your phone with one hand. Just swipe in like this and you can reach everything with your thumb. And I would recommend to you also to edit it a bit. So just swipe in like this and go to the hamburger menu. So the 3 lines below, go then on edit. And now you can also select some apps here by your own. Yeah. And if you tap on the minus, it goes. Okay, let's take WhatsApp at this place and so on. Just tap now on the home button, you're back in a regular mode, and whenever you swipe in now the sidebar, you will have now your WhatsApp here below. And if you really want to use your phone with one hand, there's also a nice mode if you just swipe down here the home button, you will have a mini screen. And now I can reach everything, the whole screen here with one thumb. So very useful. I can even play games and so on. But don't worry if it doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. Let me show you how this works. Okay, for that, just scroll on here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point, advanced features. And here you will find the one-handed mode. It has to be marked blue. And that means whenever you swipe down on the home button, you will have this one-handed mode. By the way, if you're left-handed, you can put it also with the arrow here on the other side. And yeah, whenever you finish with, just tap here on the outside and you're back at the regular mode. In the next mode I want to show you is also pretty cool, because you can quick launch the camera by just double pressing the power button, and you're immediately at the camera without wasting time and so on. And also pretty cool is this works also on standby. So if your phone is on standby, the same thing. Just double press the power button and you're immediately at the camera without unlocking the screen, without looking for the camera app and so on. No, you're immediately at the camera, you can take now pictures, and hey, may this saves you a great picture one day. And if you're already at the camera, let me show you also a pretty awesome tool. Let me take a picture first. So if you hear this noise outside, there's a helicopter flying over the building. Okay, I took the picture now. So, and now if I'm going now to the preview here, or you can do the same thing, do in the gallery and so on, you will have here this pen to edit your picture. So then you can crop a part of it and so on and so on. And yeah, but I want to show you a nice tool here at the 3 points, because we have object eraser here. Let me show you what it is. Just tap on object eraser, and now we can erase objects. If you say you don't want to have here the 20-cent coin on your picture, just mark it like this, go on erase, and it's gone. And it's almost invisible. Can you see that? And yeah, there. The same thing you can do also, not, of course, with people or with other stuff. But yeah, you see, it is almost invisible. So the software is very intelligent meanwhile, and you can do a lot of stuff. Just go on down to confirm, and then the 20-cent coin is no more part of your picture. Cool. The next one I want to show you is also cool, because you can clone apps here with the phone. That means that you can have 2 Facebook accounts here with 2 Facebook apps, or 2 WhatsApp accounts. Why not? You can insert 2 SIM cards. Why not having 1 WhatsApp account for each number? let me show you what I mean. So first of all, of course, you have to download the app you want to clone and so on. So I have your WhatsApp, Messenger and so on. And yeah, then just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down again here to the point advanced features. And here we will have the mode, if you scroll down a bit, dual messenger. So you can clone the apps. As the name says already, it's just for messaging services like WhatsApp, Snapchat and so on. So let's start here with WhatsApp. For the very first time you have to confirm something, then you just go on install and it's installing WhatsApp now. You can also have a separate contact list. He's asking that as well. You can set it up always here below. If you want to have a second contact list for your second apps. So if not, you just use the main contact list. So just go on install here. So let's continue. Let's clone all the apps and we have completed it. Yeah, not all the apps are working. So if you have light services, maybe from Messenger or from Facebook, this light apps doesn't work here, or Instagram doesn't work as well, same as TikTok. So, but WhatsApp I think is also very important. So now we are in the app drawer again, and now you can see how it looks like. My main WhatsApp account, my second WhatsApp account, my main Facebook account here, my second Facebook account, and Telegram and so on. And you can recognize always here at the orange mark at the corner here. With Snapchat you see it also very well here. At the orange mark at the corner marks the second app here. And of course, if you delete the main app, you delete also your second app. Please mind that. So a very nice tool. And if you want to have a picture from the screen, maybe if you want to capture a website or something like this for someone and you send it by WhatsApp or something like this, you can do that easily by just tapping the power button and the volume down button simultaneously, and you're having a screenshot, so a picture of the screen. After you can edit the screenshot directly or share it with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now your editing symbol, you can also draw something inside or highlight something. And if you tap here on the corners, you can also crop just a part of it. And this is very useful if you want to capture someone's status at WhatsApp or a picture from a website. Then you just crop the picture and that's fine. After you can share this edited part, or you can send it here with the arrow directly to your gallery. And you can also make a video here of the screen, so of the screen actions and so on. If you're playing a game or if you want to show someone something. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time. By the way, we will have some more icons here, and one of them is here the screen recorder. Just tap on screen recorder, so on the cam, and then he's asking first which sound settings you want to have. If you want to have no sounds, if you just want to have the media sound, so the app in that case, or next to the media sound, the microphone, if you want to explain something. And also the last point is important here. I always recommend to you to turn it on if you want to show people something, because if you want to make tutorials or something like this, no one sees really where you have touched the screen or which button you have pressed and so on. And with that, you can make it visible. Okay, just go then on start recording, and you'll see this little countdown. You can skip this if you want. And yeah, then you will have this little tool here. It's flexible. You can put it on a position where it doesn't disturb. If it disturbs too much, by the way, as well here, then just tap here on the arrow and it's going here on the side, and you can enable like the sidebar here like this again. Now, if you want to mark something here during the video or highlight something, you can use the pen here. But please note, you cannot move anymore here on the screen. You have to disable the pen then first. Then you have here with this little icon the opportunity to enable the front cam so that people sees you during this video. And the pause symbol, I think you noticed already, you can pause the video and continue the same video again, and with the last symbol you can stop the video completely. Yeah, let me show you something more. If you scroll down here again, scroll down a second time, you have here the screen recorder. We have learned that. But if you tap now on the written words, you have some more options here. like to set up the sound source, we had it already, but you can set up also the video quality. This is important if you want to have, if you want to make just a simple tutorial. You don't need the fullest resolution, highest resolution, because this takes a lot of storage. So just choose a lower one here. And if you go in details here, you have also some more options, maybe to enlarge the selfie video size if you want that people see you and so on. So a very nice mode. And where you can find your screenshots and screencasts, of course, here at the gallery. Here the pictures, you can see them mixed up with the other photos, but I would recommend to you to go to the albums, because the screenshots as well as the screen recordings have their own folder just for screenshots and screencasts. Okay, now we are already at the last mode, and this is for me a big highlight of the phone, because we have a visual assistant here, Bixby Vision. I think you know Bixby already is a voice assistant and so on, but you have it also as a visual one. Let me show you what I mean. So for that, just go here on the camera, then go here on More, and here on the top you will have Bixby Vision. For the very first time, you have to make a download or something like this sometimes, but I've done it already. So, and let me take now here a coin again, because if I scan this coin right now, he should gives me similar images. So that is a coin and so on, what I've copied here. The software is still in progress, so you don't really understand which coin it is. So they're still working on it. And let's check maybe here a battery. Is he recognizing the battery as well? So you see, the light is also important, by the way. Okay, let's have a look here on the battery. Yes, he's recognizing also the battery. So with this mode, with this virtual assistant, you can check out also plans or buildings. You can hold your phone on a building, and the phone will tell you which building it is and can gives you some more information about it. Same with plants or with animals or with things. So much more. And the most nice one here on this system is the text recognizer. So you can recognize texts here with the phone. So let me go back here. So if you need to scan some text, can you see that? He's marking the text now, and you can copy it immediately. This is very useful for studies, by the way. So in the past you have to take the book and write all by your own on a separate paper. Now you can just hold your phone on the book, and just copy automatically, picture automatically the words on it. And you have it immediately, if you go now and copy it immediately on your phone. And you have also the opportunity to translate it and so on. And one more thing, if you go here on this translate symbol, you can make now with the phone here a live translation. He's recognizing also the text, but just transfer it in English. Now I have a book, the book is in German, and he already detects the language, so this is German, and transferred now everything in English. And if you go here on copy all, then he's transferring also this directly. So a pretty nice tool, especially also for the holidays. If you're on a restaurant or something like this, you just check out what they have, and you can translate the card immediately. So very nice, and same of course also with studies or with so many other situations, and a pretty awesome tool. This has been the tips and tricks video here. I hope you like this, and I could show you something new here for your phone. And maybe if you like this video, you can give me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks for Samsung and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. It would be really a pleasure to see you again, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.